Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Sola Stadium Mohammed. Yay, now it's showing. So, guess what's in this box? Are you going to be surprised? See how large it is? It's huge. Let me go around a little bit, see if you're able to see what I see. Can you see what I see? It's big. I am 6 foot tall, 6'1", and it's almost to my, well, close to my, well, no, not quite, but it's tall. So we'll open it and show you what it is. In interim, while we're looking at that, we have a 5 kilowatt inverter that's been giving us a little bit of stress, and we're trying to figure out why it will not come on. It clicks, but nothing happens. So we're testing it to find out. And then we have a Schneider that a customer blew up. We'll get that repaired. So we'll be sending this and this to a repair shop. And that's our test battery. So let's open this and tell you what's inside. Be right back. So like I said, the box is huge. So we're going to open it in a sec and you'll see what's inside. So Victor, open the front. Ayodele, your name is now Victor. Well done. I know you're eager and you're itching.
Don't worry, we'll still be in a few.
Don't worry, he's in a hurry. So you still can't tell what it is, right?
Yes.
And that's the bracket to secure it to the wall. Is that what that is?
Yes.
Okay. And Victor is raising it up, and guess what it is? Woo. Do you remember our EPS Parallel box? Do you remember how much smaller it was than this one? This will allow up to 10 inverters in it. 10. 1, 0. And you can see, look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 6. Well, don't worry, I'll lift it up and show you. So this, as you can see, is much, much bigger. We're not going to open the inside because it will be a repeat of what we already have. But you can see underneath to see how many more inverters we can put into it. So this is what I mean. So you see before, the old one we had only had 5, right?
Yes.
Could only fit, was really designed for 5 inverters. This is designed to fit 10. As you can see, 1 and 10. And look at the size of these. This is huge compared to what we had before. So this is what we're supposed to have installed. And we didn't install it. They gave us the wrong one. So now we're going to make amends. So let me show you the specs on the side. Let's see if we could see it. I'm visually challenged. So I can't read it, but I'm sure you could see it yourself. So this can fit. Well, bear with me. I really cannot read this. Give me your light. Put your light on. Flash it right there. Bring it here. Oh, move your lights. It's okay. So I'll read it to you after I turn it on the side. I'll read it to you. So unlike the other one, this has lights for EPS and grid. The other one only had EPS but no grid. The light wasn't even on the side. Light was inside, right? Yes. Oh, the light was underneath on the other one. Maybe I'll show you a comparison when they bring it back. So this one has lights for EPS and grid, whereas the other one only had light for EPS but no grid. So here's the inside. First of all, the contactors you're very familiar with. So here is our EPS, here's our grid, right? Look at the size of those bus bars and those screws compared to the puny little things we had before. Look at the size of these cables. Mother, whatever expletive I could use to describe how huge these things are. They are huge. Look at that. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. So now it makes sense that this is what we needed, and we'll not have things burning and smelling like they were burnt. So here's a better look. Mohammed, read it back for me. The first one is 217 amps. We blew the other one up at 80 amps. And then we could do maximum number of inverters 10. And this is 150 VA, which is substantially more than the last one we had, which was what, 60?
Yes.
60. So this is definitely going to work out for us. I'm very, very excited. This corrects our little faux pas that was caused by our supplier. So if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. If you hit subscribe, please click the subscribe button. This thing is huge. Once again, this is Dr. Sola coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria.